Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check your MIUI version and make a quick backup of your layout so you can revert. Long press an empty area on the home screen to open the Home Settings menu. This is where MIUI exposes view options. Once the menu appears, scan for a home screen or desktop option. Don't dig into app settings yet. This is the central control. Make sure you proceed from here because the visible home settings determine whether you can switch views directly. Once done, find and toggle the app drawer option inside Home Settings if your MIUI build supports it. Apply the change and observe the new view immediately. If the toggle is absent, MIUI build variations block it. Install a trusted third-party launcher like Nova or Launchair and open it. You must then set that launcher as default. The launcher will prompt you, or go to Settings Apps Default Apps. This switch is the reliable path to changing the app view. To finish, arrange your icons and folders in the new layout. Widgets may need re-adding, so take a quick pass to tidy things up. If an app shortcut goes missing or icons behave oddly, clear the launcher cache or re-add the shortcuts. This fixes most sync glitches. If the new view still misbehaves, revert using your backup or uninstall the third-party launcher and return to the original. One key tip: restart the phone after changes. It resolves residual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.